I fell in love with you, watching Casablanca. Marco on the drive and the shore and the Victorian line. A golden cup beneath the stars, making champagne and caviar, making love on the long hot summer's night. I saw you fell in love with me, watching Casablanca, holding hands with the bottle fans in the Ritz Candlelight Cafe, hiding in the shadows from the spots Moroccan.